pam oedd ti wedi penderfynu siarad Cymraeg neu dysgu Cymraeg?
Y stori fi yw, dwi'n dod yma yn Gymru i gweithio gyda pobl yn Aber just am 1 blwyddyn. Wedyn, pobl yma just gwahanol, just nice iawn a siarad lot gyda fi a dwi'n wedi dweud, dwi'n just aros am 1 blwyddyn mwy. Yn cyntaf, dwi'n just eisiau gwybod sut i dweud geiriad Gymraeg da iawn.
Yeah.
Felly, dwi'n dweud, dwi'n eisiau just dysgu Gymraeg i dweud Aberhon fi, achos dwi'n dechrau i dweud Aberhondw, achos dwi ddim yn gwybod. Tu ôl y tŷ ble dwi'n wedi byw, sain yn dweud ildiwch, give way.
Yeah.
Ildiwch, so pob dydd dwi'n edrych, beth yw hwn? Ildiwch. Dwi ddim yn pronounce that. Felly, pan mae boss yn dweud, beth wyt ti'n eisiau wneud am staff development? Dwi'n eisiau just mynd i dosbarth i dysgu tipyn bach o Gymraeg.
You studied a bit of Welsh in the primary school,
Yeah.
and so you decided to take that over to secondary school. Is that right? And why?
Yeah. I just really enjoyed it, honestly. I think it's actually quite interesting when I came over to Wales that they had their own language, and I didn't even know much about it before. But to learning more about the language and the culture of this country has been really interesting and quite enjoyable, because it's quite interesting to see that there are many people that obviously are very passionate about the language and very passionate about the country, but it's almost not mainstream enough that people aren't either taught it well enough, or people aren't speaking their home country's language, which is really weird, I feel like. So I feel like for me it was something that, I'm living in this country, I'm really inspired and passionate about the experiences of the people in this country too, that I'd like to be better kind of knowledgeable with it.